see, we got two chocolates and a black and white. Let's see who's over here snacking. Let's see who's over here snacking. There's some puppies snacking. Tricolor on the end, and a white one, and a black and white one, another white one.
Today I can definitely tell that
So we got 6 of them nursing Emily, and we got 3 of them taking a nap. Got a black and white one and 2 chocolates taking a nap. Snoozing. Got 6 of them up here nursing. See, we got somebody hiding under here. Yep. We got a little tail sticking up. Somebody's down in there. Somebody hiding back here under the back leg. Yep. Sitting there nursing. Little baby Havanese. Little baby Havanese. Little babies. Little babies, 3 days old.